Hey there, this is Josh Abity, the CEO here at Manna, and I wanted to give you a quick demo of the newest thing we've been working on, which is the Manna Chrome extension. This extension works on about 35 of the top recipe sites that you know and love, and it's a really simple premise and awesome in action. We take the recipe just like we would in the Manna app, and we make it instantly shoppable, build you out a fully filled out grocery list with all the correct quantities directly in your Chrome browser on your PC. All you have to do is find the recipe that you like. Here I have these cauliflower nachos from Simply Recipes, and click the Manna Chrome extension, give it about a few seconds, and voila. So what it did is it deconstructed the recipe from its plain text into the Manna format and then rebuilt it back up on the grocer's side and built me a fully completed grocery list with every ingredient I would need. I can also swap any brands that I might want to change out for other brands, but if I'm happy with it, I can just add all these items to cart and go ahead and shop. Awesome. Thanks so much for checking out this demo, and look out for the Chrome extension if you'd like to test out the prototype